थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ। हाँ जी, यही के जो हेलो।
In a significant escalation of diplomatic hostilities, Pakistan on Thursday announced the suspension of all bilateral agreements with India, including the landmark Shimla Agreement, following New Delhi's decision to freeze the Indus Waters Treaty in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack. This response comes just a day after India launched a series of tough retaliatory actions against Islamabad. On Wednesday, India announced it would put the Indus Waters Treaty on hold, a historic water sharing agreement brokered by the World Bank in 1960, and expelled top Pakistani diplomats and defense officials from the High Commission in New Delhi. In addition to expelling diplomats, India downgraded its diplomatic ties with Pakistan, cancelled all visas previously granted to Pakistani nationals, and ordered them to leave Indian soil within 48 hours, and shut the Atari Wagah border crossing indefinitely. Responding with equal force, Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif convened an emergency meeting of the National Security Committee. A strongly worded statement issued by the Prime Minister's office followed, saying Islamabad vehemently rejects India's announcement to suspend the Indus Waters Treaty, calling any attempt to halt or divert water meant for Pakistan an act of war. Pakistan further announced an immediate shutdown of its airspace for all Indian owned and Indian operated airlines. Notably, it also suspended all trade with India, including goods moving to or from third countries through Pakistani territory. The statement also confirmed that Pakistan will be closing the Wagah border post and reducing the strength of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad to 30 members. As a reciprocal move, all defense attaches from the Indian side have been expelled. This marks one of the most severe diplomatic breakdowns between the two nuclear armed neighbors in recent history, with both sides now cutting off key diplomatic, trade, and transportation links. The world watches with bated breath as tensions in South Asia reach a critical point once again. Stay with us for continuing coverage on this developing story only on the Indian Express.